In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize a PDF file using Claude AI in just a few easy steps. This is perfect for those times when you need to quickly grasp the main points of a document without sifting through pages and pages of content. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open Claude.ai and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in because accessing all of Claude's features requires you to be logged in. It's straightforward if you've used the platform before, but if you're new, don't worry. The login process is very intuitive. Now, after you're logged in, direct your attention to the plus icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it and you'll see the paperclip icon appear. This is where the file upload process starts. Clicking the paperclip will allow you to upload files directly into Claude's interface. Next, you'll need to choose the PDF file you'd like to summarize from your computer. Make sure you select the correct document by double-checking the file name before you proceed with the upload. This little verification step can save you time by preventing mistakes and ensuring you're summarizing the right document. Once your file is uploaded, it's time to get Claude to work. Type the following prompt into the chat box. Summarize this PDF document for me in bullet points. This specific instruction guides Claude to extract the key information from the file and present it as a clear and concise outline. After typing your prompt, simply click the send button to submit your request. Claude will immediately begin the summarization process, and you won't have to wait long. While Claude is working its magic, you can take a moment to relax. Remember, the aim here is to get a brief yet informative rundown of your document without any hassle. In just a few moments, Claude completes the task, providing you with a well-organized summary and bullet points. This efficient process ensures you have a quick overview, highlighting the main ideas from your PDF without any extra frills. And just like that, you have a succinct summary of your PDF, saving you time and effort. If you found this tutorial helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell as well so you never miss out on more smart tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.